was small, I used to love watching my grandmom and my mom cook, and I still love watching cookery shows, competitions, Master Chef and all of that. It is wonderful to watch them create new stuff out of nothing. This year my cousin said she's going for this casino camp, and she asked if I wanted to join, and I just jumped up, and that's how I came here for this camp. And I think it's worth it. I think it's worth coming here. It was so much of fun. After coming to this camp, I realized that teamwork is needed for anything and everything. Even if it's to wash a dish or something, a team needs to help you. Even if you're making a dish alone, the support of the team takes it to a whole new level.
I used to go to hotels a lot. I used to see chefs working, like they're tossing noodles and all that. So I got inspired when I was in 5th grade, I think, or 6th. From 9th grade, I took on food studies, which is probably a subject in my school. It was a great experience coming to Super Chef. I got to learn more about more things, more new, like chocolates, things like that, and a lot of good things I got to learn from this.
I wanted to come and learn here was to go and explore more of the vegetarian cuisine, and over here they taught me so many vegetarian dishes, and now I can cook so many.
And I know how cooking is from everyone's point of view and how to handle the kitchen. And I never go in the kitchen and work by myself. And now I've been able to go, and I think I'll be able to make food independently for myself.
This time we got to know about more things like molecular gastrology. We studied many types of sauces, like we made sliders, which I haven't heard about. We came to know about many things which I haven't known.
Kochi Junior Super Chef has lived up to my expectations and beyond.
I would like to thank the Casino Hotel for giving us this great opportunity to go a bit more deeper into this world of cooking. My grandma always tells me that cooking never ends. You learn, and that's exactly what Casino has taught us.